everyone, my name is Preeti Sonar and I am from Diva Story of Cotton. We are from Baroda. As you can see, we have everything in linen fabric. We have something in gowns. So these are the linen fabric gowns. This come with real mirror work. It has a lining of mull cotton. As you can see, it has a very detailed work on the sleeves as well. Then we have given back mirror work too, and it comes as a 6-meter flare gown like this. You can actually wear it as a gown or pair it up with any straight fit pants. It is very easy to wash and it is very comfortable to wear. Apart from this, we have something in different options like the one I am wearing. In this come as a cord set. It's our bestseller design right now. This come with a curly style top and curly style bottom, which make it looks really amazing, and also this is very comfortable and easy to wear, and it has a lining of mull cotton. It looks really nice. We have something in hand paints. These are with heavy hand mirror work, and it has a straight fit pant with it. It comes with brush hand painted. On the sleeves you can see mirror work. At the back also you can see the mirror work. It is very comfortable and easy to carry. You can actually carry it for any occasions. Then we have something in A-line kurtis. This come with tulip pants. It has a mirror work and it is comfortable to wear. This is a fast running piece. It comes as a hand kalamkari, again with the mirror work at the front, back and on the sleeves. Also, all of our pieces have pockets both the sides, so it can make your life easy and comfortable. You can see the neckline. It has a very detailed work over here, and it is very comfortable to wear. Then if you want something in regular wear, we have those options as well, like this 2-piece set. This you can actually wear for occasion, semi-occasion, or sometimes office wear and casuals too. In this we have lot of different color, and these all are hand block print. Apart from this, we have something in straight suits. Apart from that, we have something in straight suits. These are very comfortable and easy to carry. Also, the USP of this piece, it has a bell sleeves which make the look very elegant, and it is very comfortable to wear. You can see this piece come as a kali work. It is very different and elegant. It looks really nice once you wear it. It is very, it has a very detailed mirror work on the front, and the best part, it comes as a strappy. So you can actually pair it up with any denim jackets or long jackets as well. Something in hand painted gowns. These are all done by hand brush painted karagirs, and also this has a mirror work at the front. Then it has a mirror work on the sleeves. It has a detailed mirror work on the back. As you can see, it comes as a flare gown, so it gives a very nice twirl. Then we have a range of regular wears. This you can wear for casuals. This is really comfortable and easy to carry as per the weather. Our range starts from 3,500 and goes till 15,500. And also we have our online store available on Instagram. Our name is Diva's Story of Cotton. These are proper hand embroidery. This comes with straight fit pants, which is again comfortable and easy to wear like this. See. Also, you can carry for any elegant, as an elegant piece, and all of this are pure linen fabric, and every lining is a mull cotton. Then we have something in applique work. These are very rare and unique work. As you can see, it's a combination of 3D work and mirror work. It also has work at the back on the sleeves. And then we have something for girlies who don't wear long sleeves. It comes as a sleeveless top with straight fit pant, and again it has a mirror work at the front and back. It has a pockets both the side. Also you can sometimes take this tall dupatta or else you can use this fabric to make a sleeves out of it. Then in this we have lot of different color. You can find some vibrant colors like this. Then we have something like this. So these are all my collections. You can visit us on Instagram and visit our page, shop from us. Thank you.